Good morning, greetings, and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I just got inside my car. I have a bunch of packages right over there that I'm gonna go mail off. Today's Tuesday. It's a little bit later on. It's 10 o'clock. I got the kids ready this morning for school and packaged up those babies, and they're gonna drop those off. We're gonna go to the Veterans Thrift really quick because today's the day that they have the sale. They changed out that they changed out the colors, and then we're gonna go have lunch with John and Mom. So I'm excited about that. We're gonna go get sushi. So I always love sushi. I'm very, very excited and happy about that. So with that being said, let's head out. Alright, you guys, just got to the Veterans Thrift. Let's go inside and check it out. Alright, you guys, we're in the handbags. What do we have here? Green tags are 50% off. So this bag is $12. It's kind of cute. I'm thinking yes on this green Dooney. I'm gonna hold on to it. See what else we can find. There's this other Dooney right here. $24.92. Maybe no. Still not on sale. Is this a Hobo International bag? No. Tina Olsen, BB, zipper bag, Calvin Klein, 9 & Co. I think this is the Coach. Let's check out this like fake Louis Vuitton. Mary Kate Spade, Versace. These are all like expensive though. They have the Comme des Garçons here, but that one's fake. They have this Versace jeans couture blouse. That's like cool, but $75. This is that fake Dior, a Burberry shirt. This Gap jacket is so poofy and soft. Okay, let's see. This is like the fancy case where they keep like, there's like a Gucci ring. They have like the fancy sunglasses. I don't see anything too exciting right now. I'm going through the DVDs. I'm just looking for any good ones that are like a blue color, because those are the ones that are going to be 75% off. Unless I find Mom's like favorite movie. I think it's called Something's Gotta Give. Alright, you guys, we're just looking through the rest of this stuff back here. Oh, I thought it was like etched glass. I was like, could it be Princess House? But no. Oh, look at the little birds. Why do I love things with birds on them? I love birds so much. This is an interesting bowl. It looks kind of anthropology-esque, but I have no clue where it's from. It just has an A right there. Does it stand for anthropology? Who knows? Not me, that's for sure. It's kind of interesting. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I wish this one wasn't broken. Is it broken? $10 for a 4-piece set. Where's the 4th piece? Check out this Oscar de la Renta sweater. Check it out, you guys. I just found this Christian Dior sweater in a large and gray. $14.96. That's kind of cute. Alright, you guys, I found a North Face jacket. Ooh, Flight Series. Gosh, you guys, this Copenhagen bunny bag is so soft and cute. Alright, you guys, I got a couple of goodies. Look at this, I got the little bunny, it's so adorable. Got the DVDs and I got that Dior sweater. You guys, just got to sushi! excited. There's John and Mom. Oh, you guys had to see Mom's sweater. It's full of pearls.
Oh, this is
ooh, fancy. Thanks, John. Alright, you guys, the food has started to roll out. It looks delicious. Hey guys, okay, so it's the next day and I didn't really vlog at all anymore yesterday after we had sushi. So I'm gonna be picking up the vlog today. So today's gonna be a 2-dayer. But right now, it is still raining outside. So there's that. Lovely. Also this morning, before I brought the kids to school and they were all having breakfast and stuff, there was like a bunch of coyotes in the back. I feel like the rain always brings them out during the daytime. But as of right now, can't find the coyotes. Also, this fell over again. It literally keeps falling over. I think I just need to change the direction of it, but it's okay. Yeah, like it's actually really pretty outside now. Look at that. It's like a little foggy, but it's like, I don't know, like fairy tale fog. It's so pretty. Today, or at least this morning, I'm gonna try and tackle this space. I just need to clean up some. I have an extra bin right there, which is nice because I actually needed an extra bin, but those were from my Christmas decor. We got 3, only needed 2. I'm gonna fix this place up right now. The kids have been jumping around, like literally every morning I have to fix this because in the morning they like to jump on the sofas for some reason. So, and then I want to clean up that space back there. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to show you a quick update of what I have so far. I'm watching The Voice right now. I think this was like the past season. I think it just ended or was about to end. I'm not too sure, but it was like the last season or whatever that was on. But this is the living room so far. So I kind of edited some of the pillows out. I changed up the middle. I took that tray onto. I put the mirror onto the I forgot what it's called, but it like spins. So I put it on there because I wanted it to be like elevated a little bit. I don't know, but that's kind of how that is. I moved those 2 hurricanes over there. I have that stand in the middle. I need to get the there's seashells that go in there, like giant seashell platters that go inside there. I think that's what I want there, but we'll see. I might just put some regular platters in there for the time being. And I kind of have like my flowers scattered around. I think I need to switch those up still though. So that's probably all gonna change. And this over here is gonna change and the consoles are gonna change. But I've just been kind of cleaning up a little bit, kind of just like dusting everything, taking everything up, putting everything back on, and just zhuzhing everything up. And already Eliza was like sitting there, so it's already kind of messed up, but it's okay. I took my throw and I kind of changed it up and kind of like covered the back end seat cushions with it. Don't know exactly how much I like it for the time being, but I'm just gonna leave it right now because it's fine. And if you go over here, I'm cleaning up over here as well. So that's where those 2 hurricanes were. Now I just moved it up. My plant, I don't know what is happening with it. I replanted it and all the leaves are turning yellow. So I don't know. But there's like new growth in the middle, which is so weird. So I don't know if I damaged it or something. I don't know. But all this stuff is new here. But I'm so sad about it. Like that's literally my favorite plant. But I do have a lot of clippings from it. So I just hope it doesn't die. Right, this means it's too much water, right? Ugh. Anyway. I still have my sticker on here. Look at that. $9.99 sticker. Where am I gonna stick this that like it's not gonna show? But this is kind of what I have right here. I'm still gonna change up that whole back portion of the dining room, but I just have my tray right there with my favorite plates that I just recently got at the end of last year. Look how pretty they are. Do you guys remember these plates? They're so gorgeous. I love them so much. But this is what I have right here, and I'm still working on cleaning, so I'll get back with you guys in a little bit and show you guys the update. Okay, you guys, I quickly made the grandma special. There's only 3 of us here, me, John, or Mom, John, and I. So, woo, so excited. Okay, you guys, so I have finished eating, and I think I'm gonna tackle this room first, the library. It's gonna move everything back. I'm gonna take down the happy birthday sign that's literally been there for like 8 million years. I'm deciding whether or not I should change the carpet, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll figure this out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got all the furniture off the carpet. It was such a mission. It's just like all right here. And Eliza's toy still right there because I'm still letting him play with it there because he really likes it. And I'm like waiting for him to like kind of get tired of it for a little bit, but he literally still plays with it all the time. And he'd be playing with it right now if he was still here. But got everything off the carpet. And I wasn't going to, but it was really bothering me that the furniture was like kind of off center on it when I moved it. So I'm gonna move it into the right orientation that I think I want it to be in. And then we're gonna go from there, but I think I want to change the furniture a little bit, like the layout in here. Yeah, I was thinking about changing the carpet, but I think I'm gonna leave it for a little bit longer. And I really want to like ruminate on what carpet I want to put in here because I feel like carpets make such a huge difference in a space. So yeah, I don't know. What if I did no carpet? That would be very intense. That would be like a cool look too, having no carpet. But I feel like it needs a carpet. But yeah, I still like this carpet. Let me put the furniture back how I want, and let's figure out this baby. Alright, you guys. This is kind of how the room has shaped up to look. I put the seashell things right there. Yeah, I think I showed you that already, but not the seashells. I just got those earlier. The kids were again sitting right there. And yeah, so this is pretty much how this is looking. I kind of cleaned up right here on this counter. Still a lot of stuff to put away, but so far so good. And then over there in the back, I kind of have like stuff that I was pulling that I either need to put away or like place still. And then over here is Eliza's toy. There's trash over there that needs to get thrown out. This is still gonna be here for a little bit, but I need to change the lamps. Yeah, that looks awful with a tiny lamp over there, but I was too lazy to pull that one out because it's heavy and I didn't want to move the chair. But this is kind of like how this room is looking at the moment. Kind of just left everything, didn't really switch anything out, kind of just tidied up and cleaned everything up and vacuumed. And I like to vacuum when all the furniture is out because you never get to get under those spots unless you move the furniture. So it's always good to vacuum when everything's all moved out. That's how that looks right now. You guys notice anything different about the lights? Yes! So I switched them. It was bothering me too much. So I just switched them, even though I'm not sure if this is how the room is gonna stay. But let me move this back as far back as I can so you guys get kind of like a view of the room. But there's the library for right now. But I'm actually going to make some dinner. Everyone else pretty much ate already, so I'm gonna make dinner just for Mom, John, and myself. Dad ate something earlier when he came home, but like I was still busy cleaning. Mom was upstairs. Mom was like cleaning up her bedroom, and yeah, so I've been tackling downstairs. She was Marie Marie-ing her closet. That's what it is, her closet. So I want to make some food right now, and I'll get right back with you guys. I wanted to show you guys the rain. It is so intense. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at all this stuff is like right here. But yeah, the rain, crazy. Hold on, let me see if it's better when I turn these off. No, it's not. Alright, so I'm making like, I think this is like a Filipino breakfast. I don't know if my mom just made it up or if it's Filipino or we're Filipino, so it's a Filipino breakfast. But I'm making something quick and easy. I just cut up some sausages, some hot dogs. So those are in there. I'm just like sauteing them really quick, and then I'm gonna put eggs on them. So it's like all together in like one thing. Yum! And then we just eat this with rice. Alright, you guys, I'm just logging in, or coming back on to logging in. I'm like going back on to like AIM or something. Logging back in. Coming back on just to end the video. Today has been a very long and like, it was a very productive day, so I'm very excited about all the stuff that I got done today. But tomorrow is going to be a very fun day. So don't forget to check in to tomorrow's vlog, because we're going to be doing something really fun. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is until then. But if you do, check out my IG stories today. When you see this video, go to, again, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here on Instagram. You'll see what I'm up to, because I'm going to be posting on there as well. Then you're going to get like even more in the vlog. So it's going to be pretty exciting. I'm really excited to go to what this is. So I can't tell you exactly what it is though, but you guys will see that very shortly. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, don't forget to check out too the shop. I uploaded a ton of new stuff, so check it out. The links are down below in the description box. Lots of really great stuff that I just posted. And don't forget to check out this morning's thrifting video, which I think is also very exciting. I thought it was a good one. I found some really great stuff. And you'll also get to see the stuff that I put up for sale in the shop more in that video as well, if you guys want to check that out. But I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you guys had fun today. I love you guys so much. See you guys all later. Bye! Okay, so in the other video when I was here, I showed you guys this like jacket made of feathers. And I was gonna buy it, but someone's literally holding it right now. So, I guess you snooze, you lose, guys. Learned a lesson today. A very valuable lesson. I should turn that into a shirt. You snooze, you lose. Is there already a shirt like that? I need one.